Welcome to the Marty South YouTube channel. If you've got a bartending school, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to create a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't even heard of Marty Sites before. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it asks you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my market, bartending school. Awesome, I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Marcy Sites a few basic details about our bartending school so it can generate a simple website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our city and our state or region as well. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue. Let multi-sites work its magic and create a simple website for our business. And there you have it. It's literally generated a simple website for our bartending school in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're all completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of your students in action. You want to showcase it on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to be a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first update section, the top, and go ahead and put in my company email address as well as my phone number. I want to make sure this box is ticked to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number over here, as well as our physical location, street address, and postal code. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click on save. Great thing about that physical location address that we've just put in, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's check it out. There you go. Let's move along to update social links. Over here, you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. The link, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, see what your business is up to. Let's head on over to update logo and upload our logo. If you don't have a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of free great options on the website. Awesome, logo's been uploaded, but I want to go ahead and crop it so it fits a little bit better into that section at the top. You can as well add filters, you can decorate it, add frames, zoom in, flip it, rotate it, etc. Let's go ahead and let the logo re-upload the newly cropped version of it. Awesome, let's go ahead and click save. You can make it bigger and smaller if need be. I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now, with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we want to make this easy as possible when it comes to launching and running a website for your small business. Maybe these colors don't go with your logo, your business cards, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I quite like that one, but I think I'm going to go ahead and go through a few more and just see what works best for me and my business. I'm quite spoiled for choice here because I really like all these colors. So I'm not entirely sure which one to use, but that one looks fantastic. That one too. So I think I'm going to go ahead and save that one for now. Awesome. Let's head on over to update section and update image. Now over here, browse your device and upload your own images if you've got any. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Multi-sites will automatically search for bartending school. There's not many suitable images, so you need to be a little bit more specific, play around with the keywords a bit. I'm going to go ahead and search for bartending and see what pops up. Awesome. A few suitable images here, actually a lot. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I can change it at a later stage if I need to. Let's check that out. Wait for it to upload. Or go ahead and save. There we go. Let's check it out. That looks great. I'm going to go ahead and leave it and head over to update content. Now over here you can change the title, subtitle if need be. Button currently says contact us today, which I'm going to go ahead and leave. I'm going to go ahead and choose my link. We can link to another website if need be. You can link to another part of your website, the lead form at the bottom, which is a great option, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, you can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as click to email. Otherwise, if you have a brochure of the different courses you offer, go ahead and upload PDF file or your current services you offer, for example. Awesome. Let's move along. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section over here. You can put a little bit more details of how your bartending school came to be, how you got into the industry. Maybe it's a family run business, for example. Do you offer flexible scheduling options, allowing students to work around other commitments while still completing their trainings? Is there maybe online trainings available? Is it only in person? Do you also offer like coffee barista courses as well? Go ahead and put all the details under the About Us section. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of what your courses offer, your classes offer. Do your courses entail how to prepare multiple drinks quickly and easily, how to increase sales and tips, how to use bartenders tools, wine pairing, brand knowledge? Go ahead and put all the details under the services section. We've now made our way to the last section, the lead form, which I've just mentioned to you. Over here, if any students or potential students have any queries, they can put in their details, message, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the site dashboard, your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you don't have a domain yet, maybe you just recently launched your business, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Over here in your Mighty dashboard is where you'll find the leads from that form I've just shown you on the previous page at the bottom. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your bartending school. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available. Now the great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial and give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. If you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future, perhaps a question or two, go ahead and comment below and let us know. We do really love to hear your feedback.